Gaborone is the capital city of which of these countries? Botswana, Belize, Zambia, Bulgaria. The correct answer is Botswana. The Granite State is the nickname for which U.S. state? New Hampshire, Arizona, Virginia, Tennessee. The correct answer is New Hampshire. In what country was the artist Pablo Picasso born? Spain, Italy, France, Portugal. The correct answer is Spain. The ancient festival of Oster was traditionally celebrated during what time of year? Winter solstice, spring equinox, summer solstice, autumn equinox. The correct answer is spring equinox. Who composed the iconic theme song for the Mission Impossible film series? John Williams, Alan Silvestri, Danny Elfman, Lalo Schifrin. The correct answer is Lalo Schifrin. Which of the following is the deepest trench in the Atlantic Ocean? Puerto Rico Trench, Romanche Trench, South Sandwich Trench, Sargasso Trench. The correct answer is Puerto Rico Trench. Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest mountain, is located in which country? Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Ethiopia. The correct answer is Tanzania. Which English king had 6 wives? Richard III, Henry VIII, Edward VI, George III. The correct answer is Henry VIII. What is the largest land animal in the world? White rhinoceros, Asian elephant, African elephant, hippopotamus. The correct answer is African elephant. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? Venus, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter. The correct answer is Venus. What part of speech is the word quickly? Verb, noun, adjective, adverb. The correct answer is adverb. Who is the current CEO of Apple Incorporated? Elon Musk, Satya Nadella, Jeff Bezos, Tim Cook. The correct answer is Tim Cook. Which famous ship was sunk by a German U-boat in 1915? Titanic, Lusitania, Bismarck, Mayflower. The correct answer is Lusitania. Who directed the blockbuster movie Jurassic Park, 1993? James Cameron, Steven Spielberg, George Lucas, Ridley Scott. The correct answer is Steven Spielberg. What historic document signed in 1215 limited royal power and established basic citizens' rights? English Bill of Rights, Habeas Corpus, Treaty of Versailles, the Magna Carta. The correct answer is the Magna Carta.